I'm out here with Manny, one of the owners, and we have been challenged to do the ice water challenge. So we're going to accept today. Also, the Bull Shed is going to be making a donation to ALS. I would like to call out Thomas, Natalie, Virgil, and Cowboy Calvin. Okay.
Hold on. He needs to say who's gonna call.
Oh, I just did. I'm gonna call out Thomas, Natalie, Virgil, Cowboy Calvin, and Angel.
Oh.